Hello, my name is Ray Franklin. I'm the Senior Commodity Analyst for Energy Professionals. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the recent collapse in crude oil pricing and its impact on natural gas prices. In my recent reports, I've discussed three primary reasons why I believe natural gas is near a multi-year low and why prices are likely to go significantly higher this year. The first reason given is simply that prices for natural gas are at an unsustainable low price below the cost of production. Anytime a commodity drops down this low below the cost of production, invariably it will go higher. The second reason given is that natural gas prices presently, when you adjust for inflation, are at their lowest price level in 30 years. The third reason given was based on quantitative analysis. In this analysis, I was comparing present supplies to where they were in 2012 and 2016. The reason I compared those 2 years is those were the last 2 years where prices were this low. In those two instances, the level of supplies were much higher than we have right now, and even in those 2 years, prices were significantly higher by the end of the year. Therefore, I do believe this year prices will again be much higher as we approach the end of the year. But with all this evidence, there are still some who believe the price of natural gas will remain low because of the recent collapse in crude oil pricing. This is not true. And in fact, it's very likely that the price of natural gas will be higher as we go into the latter part of this year because of the recent collapse in crude oil pricing. The reason I say this is that the recent collapse in crude oil pricing will simply lead to fewer rigs being drilled. When you don't have as many rigs being drilled, you have less crude oil being produced, but a byproduct of crude oil production is residual gas. Therefore, fewer crude oil rigs will result in less residual gas, which will lower the amount of production of natural gas also. The bottom line is over the last 20 years, each time we've been this low in pricing, the price for natural gas has been significantly higher on average over the following 3 years, and in fact has always been much higher by the end of that year. Therefore, I believe, just like in the past, natural gas pricing is likely to be much higher by the end of this year and certainly much higher on average over the next 3 years, despite the recent drop in crude oil pricing. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it does help you in preparing your energy strategies.